It's time for another big music game, and we're about to play Forbidden Rhythm, Level 6. You're about to hear the Forbidden Rhythm. Listen up.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Let's enter the safety zone where you've been granted permission to play the Forbidden Rhythm 3 times.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Repeat after me as we listen and play back a series of hand-clapping rhythms. But don't play the Forbidden Rhythm. Let's listen to that Forbidden Rhythm one last time before we begin. Trust your ears.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Let's play!
1, 2, ready, listen.
No, you didn't. Yes, you did. You just knocked out another big music game level. Congratulations.